Hey you guys, this is Coco. Welcome to my channel. Here is a blank canvas. I already buffed and applied the tips to my nails off camera. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be doing fall inspired nails. I'm going to take the Mia's Secret Nail Prep Dehydrator and apply that to my nails. This stuff is only applied to your nail bed and not the false tip. Then after, I will apply the acid-free primer, which is going to prevent lifting. I'm gonna be using this mixed glitter. You guys, the colors are just amazing together. I love how the foil effect really makes your nails pop. And yeah, I just can't wait for you guys to see when the gel is applied. It's so satisfying to watch. So on my thumb, I'm going to pack the mix near the cuticle area and then fading it out as I get close to the tip of the nail. Once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I go over and encapsulate the nail with clear acrylic. I did get this glitter mix online years ago, so I can't even remember the website I purchased it from. If I can find out, I will leave it in the description box so you guys can check it out. Now I will be applying the mix on my pinky finger the same way I did the thumb. For the rest of my nails, I'm just going to apply clear acrylic. After the acrylic has hardened, I'm going to shape my nails using a 100/100 grit hand file. I love the coarseness of this file because it saves me time when filing and it gets those free edges really sharp. Then I'm gonna go in with my e-file using a medium carbide bit and sculpting the nails until I get them as smooth as possible. Now for the nail art, I will be applying black polish. Most of the time you'll end up getting polish on your skin, but that's simple to fix. I use a very small acrylic brush and I dip it into acetone and then clean off the polish. I am now going to place some flatback Swarovski crystals, and to pick them up, I'm using a wax pencil. Now I'm going to seal everything with gel top coat and curing for 60 seconds. Do you guys see how shiny that glitter is? I love, love, love how this set came out. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel yet, don't hesitate to do so. I definitely have more videos coming and I wouldn't want you to miss them. Like the video and comment what you guys would like for me to do next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.